Hello my friends, welcome to my video with you Laram from Laram Bell. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's start. The problem of today is when I'm trying to open Grand Theft Auto 5, I get this message error: the program can't start because Xinput1.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. We fix this by going to your browser and search for directx. And go to the first link, or you can find the link in the description below. So now choose your language and then click download. If your download does not start after few seconds, click in here. After you download the file, click open. And then yes. Then I accept the agreement. Then next, uncheck install the Bing bar. If you want, then click next. Wait few seconds, then next, and wait for downloading directx. I will speed the video here. It take few minutes, and now click finish. Let's try to run the game. And like you see, it's working without any problem at all. I hope it worked for you too. If that helped you, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching my friends. See you next time.